Success does not depend on the size of our brain. It is totally dependent on the size of our thoughts. So, my dear students, with these enlightening words, I would like to welcome you all back. I hope you all are fit and fine and taking care of yourself and your family. Children, today we will start a new chapter, that is chapter number 4, Irregular Adjectives. Before starting the chapter, I request you all to open your grammar books because during explanation it will become easy for you all to understand the topic nicely. So let's start. First of all, children, you should know about degrees of comparison. Adjectives are used to compare people, places, objects, and ideas. Adjectives have three degrees of comparison: positive, comparative, and superlative. The positive degree of an adjective simply describes a single person, animal, object, place, or group without changing form. For example, Radhika is smart. It is a useful exercise. The comparative degree compares two nouns with each other. It is mostly found by adding the suffix er to short adjective having one or two syllables and more before long adjective having two or more syllables. For example, faster, more beautiful. The superlative degree compares more than two nouns. It is mostly formed by adding the suffix est to short adjective having one or two syllables and most before long adjectives having two or more syllables. Than is used after the comparative degree. The is used before the superlative degree. We use more and most only with adjectives that do not change form. We do not add more or most to adjectives that have already changed form. The phrases more big, more bigger, and most bigger, biggest are incorrect and are called double comparatives. The comparative and superlative degrees of some adjective are irregular in form. They are called as irregular adjective. So, children, adjectives that completely change their form in the comparative and superlative degrees are called irregular adjective. In other words, we can say that an irregular adjective is a word that describes or modifies a noun or pronoun but does not have a simple comparative or superlative form. An irregular adjective does not simply use any suffix. However, it completely changes, such as the word could, and the comparative form of good will be better, and the superlative form will be best. So, we can say that their comparative and superlative forms do not form from their positive. They are different words altogether. For example, good, better, best. The irregular form of such adjective must be memorize. Here are some of the adjectives that are irregular in forms: good, better, best; well, better, best; bad, worse, worst; ill, worse, worst; old, older, oldest; much, more, most; many, more, most; little, less, least; less, lesser, least; far, farther, or further; and superlative will be farthest or furthest. Now, children, here is an activity for you all. You have to do this activity in your rough copy. In this activity, you have to fill in the gaps with the comparative or the superlative form. First, I have dash X, then I need. Second, that is the dash thing that could happen. We have used the dash honey. Fourth, the bread tastes even dash than the rolls. Fifth, our strawberries have the dash flavor. Sixth, she does not want to travel dash than necessary. So that's all for today. I hope you all have understood this chapter nicely. Revise it from your book. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.